So today I'll show you guys how to make the most tasty bread in the world. So what you gotta go need is cheese whiz, some bread, and then wait, and some plate, some cup. Okay, but first guys, I'll make my mom first some bread. So wait. Wait a minute. Okay guys, I'm done making the bread. So let's put it right there. So be careful guys. Just said to your mom that you need help for this. So yeah. Okay. So I'll do part 2 for this, but let's go make my bread on part 2. Bye.